Oh, I can't begin to tell you what's so exciting about Reimagine. It's just been a phenomenal journey that our people have been engaged in, that our board has been engaged in. It's just been amazing how we're renovating these branches. It's just amazing to watch the patrons' reaction.
Libraries are evolving like everything else and changing, and some people are even saying, do we still need libraries? But I think what we've accomplished is a great way to have these libraries able to adjust and to evolve, as I said, as time goes on.
This plain renovation, it is a chance for us to exemplify our mission and our vision for the community, and you can see it in the way that the building works, totally flexible spaces for the community to come in and explore.
So one of the goals that we've had through our Reimagine is to make sure that every patron who comes in has the experience that they need at the location. We try to build flexibility into our locations so that staff can work with patrons in whatever means they're comfortable with. If they want a lot of attention from staff, there's ways to do that. If they want to operate more independently, we allow that to happen as well.
One of the most exciting parts of the Reimagine process was that we got to add in this teen room. We get a lot of teens after school since we're connected to a high school, so we wanted to make this a safe space for them to hang out after school, see their friends.
We love our partnership with Stark County Library. It provides limitless access to our students and unparalleled support for them. We also love the fact that it provides a community campus for our school that goes beyond the course of the school day.
So when students leave at 2:30 in the afternoon or when they graduate, because the library is here, it just reinforces that you're always going to be learning. And when the students are here and they see the community walk across the plaza to get into the library, be it the grandmother bringing the 4-year-old to story time, I mean, talk about the growth and development there, to watching somebody my age, right, come in and say, you know, I'm curious about CAD programming. I think I want to upskill myself.
I love just the community feel. You know, the high school element is, you know, it's fun to have the teens here after school. We have a great community that comes. We have lots of families. We have really big family programs, and those are a lot of fun. And it's, you know, it's just a great kind of campus feel and a great hub for the community.
I love the energy that this branch has. Their staff are so committed to serving the patrons in the Plain community, and I also love our partnership with the Plain Local School District. We're housed right on the Glen Oak community, and it's a wonderful, wonderful place for students and the community to gather.
The number one thing that I love about the children's area is our interactive tables. So if anyone is up for a game of air hockey with me or tic-tac-toe, just give me a call. I'll be happy to sit down and play with you. We also have these really cool lava tiles that are sensory. So when you step on them, they do this whooshy cool, and they're colorful. So that the kids are gonna love stepping on those, myself included.
I love this library because of what it's accomplished in terms of serving both the campus school community and the public. They have found a way to integrate the service to those two groups in a way that seamlessly moves different demographics of patrons in and out of the building, meets their needs at the times of day when they need it. And really they get excited about serving every kind of demographic that comes in, whether it's a teen student coming over from the school, whether it's one of the older patrons coming in for book club in the morning, whether it's all the kids that come in for enrichment activities on Saturday. They love that range of patrons that they get to work with here. And I think they're doing an excellent job at finding ways to serve all those different groups at this location.
I honestly believe the Stark County Library System is one of the best library systems in the United States.